Alright, so an update from yesterday, still going with our two counts, pink and purple. In pink we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll be coming down for a broad correction. Then in purple we have 1, 2, this being 3, this is 4, and we're expecting some upside. But then we're still keeping in mind that this could be an ending diagonal. Now if we go into the lower time frames to the 4-hour chart, I am still working with the theory that this is a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, and then a 5-wave move down, forming a 3-3-5 flat. Then we had a triangle or some sort of 3 correction in wave B or wave X. So this is a W, this is an X, and then we're waiting for a Y. Now this is not a double zigzag but a double 3. A double zigzag is going to be 5-3-5, and then a 3, and then another 5-3-5. Or a double 3 can be, it can have a flat as far as it's a 3-wave move in the A, then another 3-wave move here, or a triangle, and then another 3-wave move. So I'm working for Y, for the 3-wave move in Y, I'm working with the theory that it's going to be a zigzag. So we've had a 5-wave move down, and there are two possibilities. One is that we finish the second 5-wave move down, as you can see with the green C labeled here, and then that we are working for that reversal up. And then the second is that we've had the 5-wave move down and we're going for an a B, and then a C. So if I zoom in, you're going to see what that looks like. Alright, so first says that we've had a 5, we've had an ABC here, and then we've had our 5-wave move here, meaning that wave 4 bottomed here in a truncation. But the second one is that we've had 5-wave moves down here, we're looking for an a B, and a C, and then we're having this 1, 2, maybe a 3 here, 4, and then a 5 that will go below this previous low. If that happens, then it's going to look like a liquidity sweep. There's probably going to be a lot of people saying things like manipulation, gold is rigged, all of that, all of that, all of that. So I am expecting that. I think that would make more sense because things like this do need to happen. The whole people crying out about losing their money, and then there's still the diagonal being. I just consider this because let's just say that maybe we bottomed here and then we're working in some sort of diagonal. So if that's the case, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, we're working for a 5, or maybe we've even completed that 5 because it, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we haven't completed it. Maybe we could have an up, a little move up, and then we have a 3-wave move down. So that's a possibility. But for now, I'm just going to stick with the counts of 5, 3, and then 5 here, and then we'll see if we're working for an up move from here, and then the second one being that we are going 5, 1, 2, 3 in a C, that's an ABC, and then we're working for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So zooming in again, you'll see that I already started counting. A, B, C. This is for the first scenario of us bottoming here. You can still see the wave C down here. That's for the first scenario of us bottoming here, and then we're looking for a move or a reversal up from here. And then I still also labeled 1, 2, and then we're working for that 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So using we use the Fibonacci retracement. Sorry about that. We use the Fibonacci retracement. We will see that we just barely touched the 50 fib level, haven't gone down to 61.8. It's possible for us to reverse from the 50 fib level, but we'll just have to see what happens. Can't say anything for now. So for now, we're in this. I call it a bit of a neutral zone, a decision zone, because at this point, wave C could be in, or wave this could still be wave 3. So what I did was I identified a series of 1, 2. So there's a 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me draw that. There's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, meaning we should expect 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and then a 5. Yeah, but that would just be the end of with 3, because this is 2 here. Yeah, and then this will just be 3. But I am beginning to think otherwise. I mean, we came so close to, maybe this is a 4, then we really already touched the wave 1 of this lower degree here. We really already touched it, and quite honestly it's too low for a wave 4 in my opinion. But then on the lower time frames, things tend to be choppy, to be honest. So again, anything could happen. So I'm also counting this um, impulse move. 1, 2, 3. There's a possible 4. And then this might be a 5. If in fact, if by Monday we see that this ends up being a 5 and we have a 3 move down, then I'll probably be looking for buy long trades to press around the retracement zone. But if we end up breaking below this level here, this low here, and yeah, we end up breaking below this low, and where's that last one? Yeah, so we end up breaking below these 3 lows, then it's evident that we're going for that final 5th wave in green, for that final 5 wave in green. But if we break below these 2 levels, particularly this one of B, then we're going to know that this isn't a 1, 2, 3 anymore, because you can't have a 1, 2, 3 and a 4 or something that breaks above B. So we're going to know that it's a 1, it's an A, a B, and a C. So at that point I'll be looking for buy trades, and I'll shift my buyers. So at that point I'll also probably have to relabel all of this so that it fits in nicely with wave 4 bottoming somewhere around here. So yeah, for the new week all we have to do is basically watch what happens around this level, everything within this shape that I just drew. I can't call it a circle, but everything within there. These are levels to watch out for. I would say this is the most crucial, but this is also a level for me because I'm tracking that as a 1, 2, and if this 1, 2 is broken, then the chances of the others being broken is very high. So yeah, this is going to be a very critical point for me as well. Breaking that will really confirm the 3-wave move down. So yeah, let's just see what happens by Monday, and we'll have, as time goes on, more information will come. I'll have more data and I'll be able to uh, make better forecasts. I'll also have a better idea of whatever the market is doing in the meantime and what it wants to do in the future. So yeah, that's it. I have to say, help me like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. Is there anything you don't understand? Is there any way you'd like me to make these videos better? Whatever it is, just interact. It helps get the video to more people, and hopefully if it gets to more people are going to watch it, and it's going to increase my watch time hours, and I think I'll be one, no, not say I think, I will be one step closer to getting monetized at that rate. So yeah, um yeah, just help me interact with the video. So yeah, that's it. Till next time.